Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a HIIT workout, which stands for High Intensity Interval Training. So watching YouTube yesterday and I stumbled upon this workout. It's by Will Tennyson. He's a fitness YouTuber. He's maybe 25 years old or so. I'm 52. We're gonna give it a shot. It's pretty simple, guys. We're gonna do 100 skips. Pretend you got a jump rope. Then we're gonna do 10 air squats followed by 10 push-ups. I'm going to use the parallettes for my push-ups so I can get a little deeper push-up. After that session, we're going to go down to 90 skips, and then we're going to do 10 and 10, then 80 skips, 10 and 10, until we get down to 10, 10, and 10. So let's get going with 100 skips, and let's get started in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 100 skips. 10, 20, 30, come on. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, come on. 90, 10 more. And 100, and now we're going 100, 10 air squats. God, I can't speak. Let's go. 1. He does a little bit side step to it. We're not gonna do that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Getting on the ground. Give me my push-up variations. Like I said, I'm gonna try to use these, get a little bit more range of motion. So I want you to go raise a leg, raise the other leg, and give me a push-up. That's 1. 1, 2. And that's 2. 1, 2. And 3. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2. 5. 1, 2. Push up 6. Perfect. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 9, 1 and 2, last 1 and 10. That's round number 1. Few more left. All right, 90 skips. You guys ready? Let's go. 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, come on, 7, 80, 10 more, 90. All right, 10 squats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, last 1. Give me just 10 push-ups. Don't forget about the legs. Ready? 1, 2, and 1. Boom. 1, 2, 2. 1, come on, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, back to the top. Here we go. 1, 10, 20, come on. 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, halfway. 50, 60, 70, 80. All right. 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the ground. 10 more. Shorter breaks between the exercises now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. And the legs, 1, 2. All right, 70 skips. Moving right along. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Come on. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 30, 40, 30 left, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. All right, air squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1, 2. Whew. Get those legs moving. Now get the chest moving. You guys ready for 10? Legs first this time, not a push-up first. Let's go. 1, 2. That's 1. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2. 4. 1, 2. 5. 1, 2. 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, 60 jumps. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. That's 10. 20. 30. 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 60. All right, air squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, those push-ups are gonna be tough. Shorter rest between push-ups. We're going for 10. Whew. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last 1. And 4. All right, 50 skips. Moving right along. Let's go. 1, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 30, 1, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, and it's 50. All right, let's go. 1, come on with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the ground, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I did the push-up first again, that's it. Push up the legs. 2, leg, leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, ready? And 10, and then don't forget the legs. All right, whew. 40 skips, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, that's 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, that's 20. Keep it going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 30, 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and that's 40. All right, here we go, 10 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. 1 and 2. Whew. Push-ups are having the best of me today. Feel good, feel strong. Keep them coming. Feet first this time. See if I can get the order right. Ready? 1, 2, and push up. Boom. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. That's 3. 1, 2. That's 4. 1, 2. That's 5. Keep it up. 2, 6, 7. 3 more. 1, 2, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. All right, 30 skips, guys. Here we go. It's gonna go by quick. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 9, 30. Whew. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Whew. All right. 10 of these. These are definitely the crux of this workout for me, is the push-ups. Ready? Legs. 1, 2. Push up. Boom. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 3. Let's go. 2, 4. 1, 2. 5. Keep it up. 1, 2. 6. Whew. 2. 7. 8. 9. Keep it up. And 10. All right, 20 skips. 2 more rounds left. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 20. All right, my nose is running, so I'm in a good workout. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 push-ups. I got a good chest pump going. How you guys doing? All right. Catch my breath and here we go. Legs first. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1 down. 1, 2. 2 down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 9. Last 1, 2, and 10. All right, 10 skips. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10 squats. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, 2 more. 1 and 2. All right. Continue that chest pump. Last 10 push-ups. 3, 2, 1. Position, legs. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last 1. That's it, guys. Catch my breath. That was 17 minutes of working out. Thank you for joining me today for After 50. Catching my breath again. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. I'll see you guys then. If you liked this workout, subscribe. If not, I'm glad you enjoyed the workout anyway. I'll talk to you later. Have a good day, and I'll see you later.